Timmy's Big Trip. Timmy the sea turtle lived in a warm, bright coral reef. His home was full of pink and purple coral, gentle currents, and tasty green seaweed. He loved to swim and play hide-and-seek with the colorful fish. One day, a traveling pelican landed near Timmy. "I just saw the mountains." The pelican squawked. "They are tall, gray, and very different." Timmy had only known the ocean. "Different sounds wonderful," he decided. "I want to try a new environment." Timmy packed his shell and waved goodbye. It took him a long time to crawl out of the sand and travel far away. When he finally reached the tall mountains, he stopped. Everything was cold, gray, and very quiet. "Brr!" Timmy shivered. The air was dry, not wet and salty like the ocean. The rocks hurt his flippers. He missed the gentle push of the water. This environment was too cold and too hard for a warm water turtle. Timmy felt hungry. He looked around for his favorite meal. Where are the soft green seaweeds? He wondered. All he could find were prickly, dry plants and hard little pine cones. "This food is not for me." A friendly mountain goat named Alara hopped down from a high ledge. "Hello there, little shell friend," she said. "You look misplaced. This is a mountain habitat. We need thick fur and strong legs to climb and eat tough mountain grass." Alara explained, "The mountain is perfect for me, but the ocean is perfect for you. Every animal has a perfect home. Imagine a camel trying to swim here, or a monkey trying to climb a sheer icy cliff." Timmy thought about it. The desert was too hot and dry. The forest was too shady and full of hanging vines. The mountain was too rocky and cold. The coral reef was just right, warm, wet, and full of delicious food. "You are right, Alara," Timmy said. "I need sunshine and salt water, not snow and rocks. Thank you for teaching me about habitats." Timmy started his long journey back home. Timmy swam back into his beautiful coral reef. The water felt like a warm hug. He took a big bite of sweet seaweed. "My home is perfect for me," he cheered. And he never wanted to trade his amazing reef for a mountain again.